I like to use InStuner, which is a chromatic tuning app. Let's go ahead and check the low G string. It's a little bit low, so we want to tune up just a bit. Now that's in tune. Let's check our C. Again, we need to come up a little bit, so we're going to turn that peg. Check it again. Oh, went too far. So bring it back down. Now come up again to the correct note. Sometimes it takes just a little twiddling to get there. There we go. Check our E string. Oh, almost had it. Here we go, and now our A. There we go. And we can also check our tune by doing the corresponding notes. So this is a G string, but let me find a C on there. So that's G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. So that's my C. And then I check the C string. Okay, those are matching. On here, I'm going to go ahead and find my E. So that's C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. Let's check this. And the E string. Okay. On the E string, we'll go ahead and find the A. So we've got F, F sharp, G, G sharp, and the A. They're on that 5th fret. So play A. And we're in tune and ready to play.